Okay, quick freeze frame. I lost the first part of this clip. I thought my camera turned off, but it actually was. I realized as I'm editing this video that my camera did not turn off. I just never pressed record. So, my fault. I basically just want to say thank you to you guys and just deliver a simple message for 2019. I don't know if I'll have a video up before then, but I want to just touch on a touchy subject a little bit for me, and I thought that I would share this with you guys and let you know how important it is to be selfish and to focus on yourself and your well-being and your mental health, your peace of mind. That is so important. I just want to give a simple message for 2019 for you guys. Be selfish, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with being selfish. Take time for yourself and take care of yourself. Do what makes you happy, and who cares what anybody else thinks? Because we're running around here doing so much for other people, neglecting ourselves and caring so much about what other people think about ourselves that we neglect and harm ourselves in the process. Be selfish. I love you guys, and we can continue on the video.
Okay, sorry about that. My camera cut off for whatever reason. Not sure why. But this video gonna get done. Anyways, I don't remember where I let off. But in order for us to be able to help others, we have to be in a state of mind where we're able to give that help, basically. So what I'm trying to say is basically mental health. Your mental health is the most important thing on earth. Because without your mental health, how can you mentally love, give yourself to other people, to be a help to other people if you yourself are deteriorating, if that makes sense. So I hope that makes sense. So basically what I'm trying to say is I have learned that I am the most important person right now. I have to be, because if I'm not, I'm no good to anybody else. And this year has been mentally challenging. I don't know if I'll ever get on here and tell you about the last 8 months, but I've learned a lot. I am 34 years old and I'm still growing. I'm still learning. I'm still figuring myself out. Right now, I cater to my needs first, and I am as selfish as I want to be, because for the last 34, okay, I won't say 34 years, because as a kid, as a baby, I wasn't, helping others or reaching out to others. I wasn't that type. I wasn't there mentally prepared, but I want to say for what am I, 34? So for 20 something years of my life, I've given. I've done for others. I've put others first, and my mental health, my well-being, myself was always put last. And I've gone through so much in my life. If you guys have been following me for a long time, then you've seen the video that I did years ago with the secret tag when that was really popular. You already know part of what I went through. That was just part of what I went through in my life. But I'm happy to say that I've gone through it. I didn't pack a bag. I didn't, sign a lease for 24 years to be sitting in that situation. I'm out of it. I've gone through it. I'm out of it, and I'm a better person. Make 2019 about you, because you can't be nothing for anybody else if you ain't nothing for yourself, if that makes sense. Do what makes you happy. I have taken a day out of each week to dedicate just to myself, and a lot of the times that's just me being alone in my own personal space by myself all day. And I'm the type of person, I love being by myself. It ain't nothing like my own personal space. Let me tell you, I could care less of having company, of going to places with crowded people. That is not my thing. I love being alone, and I dedicate every Saturday to myself. Sundays is family. That's why Monday through Friday I film, and that's what I've started doing. Monday through Friday I will film, and early in the mornings, and then in the evenings I edit, and I just dedicate Saturday to just me, and then Sunday is family day. Also, I can have my peace of mind, and then I do little things for myself that make me feel good. Like, I've gotten into lingerie, and like, not skimp. Well, some of it might be skimping, but that's not for y'all. That's for me. I got into lingerie. I have like all types of like really cute pieces that I like to just put on with a sexy little robe, much like what I have on now, but y'all can't see the rest of this. And I literally pour me a glass of wine and I sit around my house like I'm Mariah Carey or somebody. Like, seriously, I pamper, I take time just for myself. I do things that I like to do. I try new things. I'm a lot more outgoing and adventurous now than I used to be. I guess that's all I want to say. I don't want to make this a long video, but make 2019 the year of selfishness. Do whatever it is that makes you happy, that gives you peace of mind, because your peace of mind is so very important. Much like our eyesight, being in the field work that I do, people neglect their eyes. I can't even tell you how I listen to patients and they ain't been in the eye doctor for like 10, 20 years, or they don't want a certain test because it costs extra. But it's so important that you go to your eye doctor once a year, because you never know what your eye doctor will find. The first sign of diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, tumors, brain tumors can all be found in one single eye exam. But nobody takes eye exams important, like take it as an important doctor's visit like they do their regular doctor's visit. It's your eyes, bruh. Hello. If I had to lose an ability, if I had to choose an ability to lose, whether it be walking, hearing, talking, or seeing will not be one of them. You can take away my hearing, my ability to talk a while, but my sight is something different. You should treat your peace of mind like you treat every other health aspect of your life or your body. Your peace of mind is so important. If you don't treat your peace of mind the way you treat other things in your life, well, depending on how your life goes, because if you treat other things in your life like crap, then your peace of mind is probably gonna be treated like crap too. Don't do that. But treat it like something very important to you. Like it's so important. Like I don't even know how to express this in words, but it's so important to do that. And I just want to say that. I just want to say thank you to everyone that checked in on me. You guys know who you are. There's a handful of you guys that I see on almost every video, commenting on almost every Snapchat or Instagram photo. You guys rock. Every time I feel like giving up, you give me the courage that I need to keep going. When YouTube started tripping on people's channels and taking away subscribers and stopping small channels from growing, YouTube, I wanted to give up then, but you guys kept me going. So I just want to say thank you to, I have like 21, I did have 22,000, but YouTube deleted a whole lot of these accounts. So now I got 21,000 subscribers, but like only like 200 or 300 of y'all watch my videos. That's okay though. I'm okay to see 300 people, because that's all that matters at the end of the day. I have a lot of big things planned for, I won't say planned, I have a lot of big things that I want to do for next year as far as my channel goes, and I can't wait to get started on those things. I don't want to plan anything because I tried doing that this year and life happened. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support, all your loving comments. You guys mean everything to me. I know I don't always come on and like comment to every comment, but know that I do read them, and I thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I want to wish you and your family a wonderful and amazing happy holiday, happy winter solstice, Merry Christmas for those of you who celebrate, happy holidays to those who don't, or happy winter solstice to those who don't. And I hope you guys have an amazing new year. I might have one more video up before New Year happens. But if I don't have a great and amazing, safe New Year,